Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba ke Jylla ukondot sangma menta kasing kalai tarik unailar raja rat Pule. Ula pli pat ba ya Kamigalia State Education Commission ha kaslem trekam joke embos kabadan halu wala shumia. Ha ke Jingeh dan lang menteri berikmi ya ketanat Pule Puthi ke Jylla urakam sangma barki kenhun ke berikmi ya ke commission. Kajingrai juga kenhun menteri banseng ya ke Education Commission kalong ban kentiu ya ke Pule Puthi Hapoh ke Jylla. Menteri Rangba ula Kadei ba ke Bynta Jong ke commission Kadei ke bakongsan namarkan wa di ke Jingeh ha ke bayade ba ke Pule Puthi patkan shimru ya ke Jingeh jingmut jong kibai.
As you're aware that the cabinet had decided for the formation of the Education Commission, and the main purpose was really to look into the entire overall restructuring and reformation of the education sector as a whole. And there are many challenges and there are many stakeholders involved in it. And hence a commission would be able to do justice by being able to get into the nitty-gritties of the challenges that are faced in the education sector and be able to take concerns of all the stakeholders and come out with positive suggestions, practical suggestions, balanced suggestions on how we could really do a phase-wise manner or transition-based manner of transformation of the education sector. So that's really what the purpose is, and the commission has been formed, and I'm very happy that today the first meeting of the commission was formally held and was inaugurated in one way, and just after the inaugural meeting they will be sitting for the first official meeting. And I'm sure that with the kind of leadership that is there in the commission, the kind of members that are there who have got huge experience and knowledge about the education sector, I'm sure that we'll be able to come out with positive suggestions, and hopefully we'll be able to see, as I said, a transition into a much more healthier and stronger education sector in our state.
What is the immediate task entrusted to them, sir?
So there are many areas. There are areas of ensuring overall quality of education improves. The issues concerning teachers are there. The issues concerning the rationalization of teachers and schools. Then obviously looking at the quality factor, the overall aspects of how technology can be implemented. And so it is a very wide scope of reference, and therefore it incorporates almost every aspect of education sector. To allow the department to go into more details. Once they are able to learn and be able to understand the subject better, then we'll go into the criteria is, but we in fact our state, which has been very fast in implementing all the projects that you're seeing in polo areas, or large number of the projects you're seeing in polo area is being done by the Smart City project, so it's in very advanced stage. At the same time, the IIIC, the Integrated Command and the Integrated Command Center will be ready by by the end of this year. So in all the projects we are moving forward. I really don't know the criteria in which it has been based on, so I'll have to check that. But as per my information knowledge, we have been working very hard, and the performance of the division and the overall smart city has been very good, and most of the projects are going on in full swing.